Watch, watch, watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man. We no all know a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. I'm a day I represent for Gaza and Alliance. We no don't know how my thing go when I drop necessary equipment. We no know a loud explosion. We no know I'm gonna deal with the lollipop thing, boy. Watch, 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 watch. Explode now, 10-star. Hear me, no, man. Right now, you know, I get for say, you know. All know, you know, we as blood clot Jamaican, you know, still, you know, down in the backward blood clot days, you know. All we do, you know, a fight against, you see, we mostly as ghetto people, yo, we do. We won't go quick for bring down one another. No blood clot elevation. In the ghetto, when you're in the ghetto as a youth one time, I grew up as a youth. The whole of folks them would have make you know say them no kill champion. I raise champion. Them type of youth nowadays don't know nothing about that. Hear me I tell you now. Watch, cause they have a lollipop thing. Hear me I say. Right now, you know, I see all Winfred Williams. Them one they supposed to educate it. You know, I'm journalist shit where I'm do, you know what I mean? Although I know say them thing there is a media shit. So here we are going. The media sell all wrong information too. Because it's a money making thing. Oh, I see Winfred have Vybz Kartel for an interview. And here where I say to the man. Because of Vybz Kartel, a bleach and a tattoo. And that make the youth them a do tattoo. And all them shit. And to straight the youth them a Jamaica. So me want to know, you know, remember say, you know, the Vybz Kartel do, you know, is a bumbuckler character thing Vybz Kartel deal with, you know. So it's just like a blood clot movie. Is what I say. Winfred said that, you know. I never hear Winfred come and say yet. You know, I mean, on him program, I met the people in Jamaica know, say, well then, Jamaica now have no blood clot gun factory. And how much gun imported in the country in the 1980 election. And how much people dead off. What about the Green Bay killing? Nobody not talk about them shit there. Is when I deal with them bring the cable, you know. And when the cable and the VCR and all of them things that were coming, we bring down all of them show that we come from America, them drug straight show there and all them shit there, and them gang violence show there, and all the tattoo thing we are going from blacking and bumbuckler, love and hip hop and all of them blood clot thing there, and the people them follow. People are bleaching in Jamaica way before that. Remember Lexus did sing, get those monkey house. All of the girls them with them face bleach out. When you see them you feel short. And an artist before that did sing, say them a bleach out, them face you turn like a browning and you can't go on. So me don't know what the fuck we not talk about, cause me know all one time man get in a trouble and the easiest way to shield him identity and bleach out him face at a way before blood clot. Vybz Kartel boss. But I just don't go show you the type of fuck where Jamaican support. There's where I deal with. How comes you as a parent, you know, you as a blood clot parent, you hear me I say? Where your child see you 24 blood clot 7. Because when the child hungry, are you the child sick. When the child forget feeding, are you him sick. When the child forget school, are you him sick. When the child need clothes on him back, are you him sick. When the child needs shelter, are you him sick. Oh, your bumbucker child interested in a Vybz Kartel more than you. You know, sister, you a slack and nasty blood clot parents. You no want blood clot for like as you want the easiest way out, but you no want point finger upon bumbo clot somebody. And the fool people, they make the blood clot system and point them finger upon the blood clot ghetto youth. And take the eyes off of them and not see where them a blood clot do. Because that them set on for do. Point finger upon a blood clot one another. Meanwhile them just go further up the ladder. And no can't bumbo clot see. If Vybz Kartel is such a blood clot bad man and him change Jamaica them way there. Why does phone child up on the skull school, up on the corner, smoke weed, and a par with gangster and Vybz cartels child them, they in a high school and get good education? You know, sister, back way on a bumbuckler thing. Eh? All Winfred for a big journal, you know, rise them argument that commander. Because stupidness you bumbuckler tell me, because we are talking about a fuckery. Otherwise, Scarface, Tony, Al Pacino and all them blood clot show they shouldn't even show up on the television then. You know what I mean? And you have numerous slackness you have one upon it. So I don't know what I talk about. That change the people them because you can't tell me nothing. No one can't tell me them thing they change the people. One time a boy blood clot broke a shop in our community. When you wake up the next morning, all 13 blood clot man with pick a stick a go around a be a boy yard where broke shop. And them have to talk oh boy get broke up. Them days where I talk about no look a boy can't this no big people. Big man box down in blood clot. Him can't do that. Them days you can't talk about you argue with your mother and want to fight your father. Man, broke up your blood clot if you do that. A real talk. No, you have to watch your blood clot mouth. You can shut that too. And you gladly shut that. You know? So you know, she said things and time change. You see me? I want to think we need a run down. Eh? We need a run down. Remember, you know, you don't want to blame Vybz cartel. Show you all the system. I'm going to show you all the system is a big blood clot corrupt system. But then in the blood clot 80s, when me a bumbo clot go all age school in the 80s, I just start to go blood clot all age school. Uno a bumbo clot up on the radio I talk about. You see I call the Rasta man them black heart man. And I said the man them a go give a sweetie and chop off her head and drink with blood. So they make it seems like the man them a cannibal. I saw now deal with the Rasta man them time they call them black heart man and I said what them are doing. And all your school and all I warn you about that. Go home, don't take the ride from nobody. Go straight home and all of them shit. You see? I'm a go for sister Rasta man are the most loving and peaceful man on the earth. And are the only man them who live up right and I eat right because the man them eat from the earth and them thing there. But Uno want teach you about a digger cat and the bumbuckler figure and cow jump over the moon. Uno never want teach you nothing righteous about our heritage. So now swing we wide from our blood clot small. You see me? So you know why we take in the Rasta man doctrine them so no bumbuckler to call them black heart man. When I uno the murderer and wicked and bumbuckler killer. What kind of fantasy when I teach blood clot youth? Cow can jump over moon? Eh? But the bumbuckler kind of waste of time when I tell man about. You know what I mean? For I tell man about the bumbuckler heritage and about them roots and them culture. So if a man a baby, you know, swing man wide. But the people them can't bumbuckler see it. And to clarify Bob Marley and you ban them song, he have to run out of blood clot Jamaica. And when him get big and exposed internationally, uno blood clot Jamaican upset him and I go like say uno was with the blood clot movements. The system of Jamaica me attack. Me not attack the people them, the blood clot system. Uno never go like uno have him for uno tourist board, uno have him as this big bumbo clot icon and them shit there. Uno never respect the man, none of bumbuckler at all, until the bumbuckler rest of the world give him the acknowledgement and praise him. And that's when uno bumbuckler are giving to him, because uno clarify Rasta man as bumbuckler black heart man. Yes, what I deal with that uno bumbuckler though. So if uno never either want we for follow blood clot Bob Marley them time there, which is the righteous thing. Or not talk about we a follow bumbuckler Vybz cartel. Uno teach we for follow no blood clot artist. Eh? Uno teach the people them nothing good. What good does uno teach the people them in the bumbuckler ghetto? What them wanna bring to the table? And all know them people you can't see it. And that's why the reason why this thing of your draw out so long with Vybz cartel, because you don't want to accept say you wrong. You see what I deal with? You don't want to accept say you wrong. And the measures you want to go by it wrong. You don't want to accept that. No, you don't want to hold on and still hold on to an argument and play tough. Because you think so well then you rule and you are the mightyful one. But you days are going to come. Everybody days numbers. You see what I deal with? You know days are going to come. You know what I mean? For real. And people hear about uno. Or don't believe so you go get off with no happy reward. You know what I mean? You know all wicked, son. All wicked. You know what I mean? When are wicked against the bumbuckler ghetto people, them, you just want to keep them in the dark and then you use politicians' strength on them. You know what I mean? And you use bumbuckler education on them. And all of them bumbuckler there is where I deal with. Because ghetto people here what them do, them push some little thing on a bumbuckler eyesight and you get hooked on them thing down and can't further on in our life. You see me? So and when time them gone left on the only thing you don't see on one another for bring down. You don't see that. Them carry gun come for fight bumbuckler politician war, kill off one another. When bumbuckler politician done and a boy win, the same police them start come for because them know how to have the gun and all them shit there. Every youth in the ghetto them grew up and see man in the ghetto fire shot. Have big girl, have money and spend and all them things there. Him think of the easiest way for him in a life. Him not have no parenthood behind him. Him get up and him join and him follow. And it goes on, the list just goes on like that. That's where I deal with. And the youth them narcissist that them want uno for do. That's where I deal with. You see how blood clot cartel bust out as a ghetto youth and get powerful in an entertainment thing and have him fans and him bumbuckler people them who look up to him and I look up to where I say and I look out for where I say. And when cartel start expose them, what them bumbuckler do to him? When cartel start expose them, what you think them do to him? I see enough of uno as same ghetto people. When them that tell them lie about them idiot metal where them have and every shit, everyone of people are saying, yeah, him commit the murder. Which right now, nobody don't know if no blood clot murder go on. Because nobody have no evidence towards that. But me just hunger show you how wicked people can be. And I see them how them crucify Christ. A real thing. And I saw them get rid of Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, all of them bumbuckler, great black man, they will come up to stand up for poor people. I saw it bumbuckler go. And when cartel beat out on them bumbuckler system, and that them do. Some no want to dead and a chat be a fucker and also non-idiot educated blackers will want to chat up their mouth and I go like say, them no know, like them know nothing about Jamaica. Or them ever grew in the ghetto yet. Some of them don't know which ghetto on grown up, which ghetto on from. When they there chat up with the mouth and I talk all kind of rubbish on YouTube like gonna know nothing. You know what I mean? I'm here the general, the 10-star one. You hear me? When I represent, when you don't know a loud explosion every time. When I drop necessary equipment, I don't laugh with it. Watch. Get up, people. Time for wise up right now, you know. You hear me? I tell you now. Just look into it, I tell you now. I'll say for a lollipop thing. You know, we not chat hypocrisy, you know, real facts, we chat, you know, we not deal with hype. You know what I mean? Because we're born hype without we don't have the blood clot word there. Watch! Gaza for life. Alliance for life. General 10-star. Watch.